Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Pancit Bihon Guisado. Let's cook! And now, it's time to cook our Pancit Bihon Guisado. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. In a cooking pot, pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heat, add onion, add garlic, next add cube cut pork belly with fats, then cover so that the cut cube pork belly is soft. Next, add the carrots, then beans, then sautee. Add 1 liter of water. Stir. Add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Stir. After adding those ingredients, at this point, we will heat until boiling. Let it boil. This time, our soup or seasoned stock is boiling. We will lower the heat. Add 200 grams of special bihon, Then, we will loosen the bihon by doing this. This is how I loosen the bihon. Once loosened, add 250 grams of pancit canton. Then, we will mix this. This is how you mix the pancit canton and bihon. This is how I cook Pancit Bihon Guisado. It is called Pancit Bihon because it's a combination of pancit canton and special bihon. The Pancit Bihon Guisado is cooked already. Add sliced cabbage on it. Mix gently. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!